Well, they claim they were pushed off campus for showing support for law enforcement. They claim they were a victim of cancel culture. They also claim the school wasn't exactly upfront with them about the controversy surrounding that support and subsequently their coffee shop on campus. So back in October, Big City Coffee filed a $10 million lawsuit against Boise State University, school president Marlene Tromp, and a whole slew of other current and former Boise State officials. A month later, the school asked the judge to throw out that lawsuit. And well, last week, she did, sort of. Judge Cynthia Lee Wallace has dismissed part of the lawsuit, but is allowing other parts to move forward. Sarah Jo Fenley, the owner of Big City Coffee, alleges BSU violated Big City's rights under the U.S. and Idaho constitutions to freedom of speech, and also due process of law and equal protection under the law. She also claims the university violated the Idaho Consumer Protection Act, committing fraud by omission and knowingly, wrongly, and intentionally interfering with a contract. At the center of this lawsuit, a thin blue line flag that hangs at the flagship store in downtown Boise. There it is right there, and it is small. It's a small flag that has been at the location since 2016. Fenley's now husband, former Boise police officer Kevin Holtree, was injured in the line of duty back in 2016. And just a month after their Boise State location opened, well, it shut its doors for good. Fenley says they were forced off campus a month after because of a social media post that interpreted the flag as a sign of opposition to the Black Lives Matter movement, which began picking up steam in the summer of 2020, if you remember, after George Floyd's death. So here's what the judge ruled last week with regard to this case. The judge dismissed motions against both the university and against Boise State President Dr. Marlene Tromp, saying, well, they can't be sued for monetary damages in their official capacities under the 11th Amendment as an arm of the state. The judge also dismissed the lawsuit against Tromp as an individual, but not against Vice President of Student Affairs and Manager of Enrollment Leslie Webb, Vice President for University Affairs and Chief of Staff Alicia Esty, and Vice President for Equity Initiatives Francisco Salinas. The judge said Fenley can continue her lawsuit against those three on the basis they violated her 14th Amendment rights and treated the business differently than other businesses were treated on campus. Fenley's lawyers now have until May 27th to file an amended complaint. So we reached out to Big City Coffee for some reaction to this, but we've yet to hear back.